Hello class 10th. Today I am going to start with this new chapter. Chapter number 9, the excretory system. And today I am going to explain some important questions of this chapter. Okay, now it's a revision of this chapter exactly. That is chapter number 9, excretory system, and revision also. Okay. So now first type of question which come in the examination. Okay, this is your first question always on your question paper. This is name the following. Okay, the excretory system. Question number 1, name the following. Okay, first question, the organ which produces urea. The organ which produces urea. Second one, the outer region of the kidney. The outer region of the kidney. Third one, that is a tuft of capillary found in the Bowman capsule of nephron. A tuft of blood capillaries found in the Bowman's capsule of nephron. Fourth one, a blood vessels leaving the kidney. A blood vessels leaving the kidney. And last fifth one, in the form in which glucose is stored in liver. The form in which glucose is stored in liver. Is stored in liver. 5 questions are here. Okay, do it in your notebook also. The organ which produces urea, that is liver, as you know. Okay, that is liver. Second, the outer region of the kidney, that is cortex, as you know it. Cortex. A tuft of blood capillaries found in the Bowman capsules of nephron, that is glomerulus. A blood vessels leaving the kidney, that is renal vein. Renal vein. A form in which glucose is stored in liver, that is glycogen. Glycogen. Okay. Now second type of question. That is, state the role of the following. Question number 2. State the role of the following. Okay, first one is renal vein. second one Henle's loop, third one ureter, fourth one urethra, fifth one kidney. Okay, first one is renal vein. As you know, it collects the filtered and deoxygenated blood. Okay, what is the function of this renal vein? It collects filtered and deoxygenated blood. Now second, Henle's loop, it helps in the reabsorption of water and sodium ion. What is the function? It helps in the reabsorption of water and sodium ion. Third one is ureter. It transports urine from kidney to the urinary bladder. It transports urine from kidney to the urinary bladder. Now next one is urethra, to transport urine from urinary bladder to the exterior. Understand it? To transport urine from urinary bladder to the outside or exterior. Next, kidney, formation of urine and osmoregulation. What are the function? Formation of urine and osmoregulation. Okay. Now next question, that is give the reason for the following. Question number 3. Question number 3. Give reason for the following. Give reasons for the following. Okay. First one, as a result of ultrafiltration, as a result of ultrafiltration, along with excretory products, certain useful products like glucose, salt, etc. are also filtered but these are not excreted. Why? Okay. As a result of ultrafiltration along with excretory products, certain useful products like glucose, salt, etc. are also filtered, but these are not excreted. Give a reason. Reason is glucose, salt in the glomerular filtrate are reabsorbed in the PCT, proximal part of the renal tubule. Okay. Means glucose and salt etc. in the glomerular filtrate are reabsorbed in the proximal part of the renal tubule is the answer. Now second one, glucose is absent in urine of healthy person. Glucose is absent in the urine of a healthy person. Okay, glucose is absent in the urine of healthy person because glucose is reabsorbed into the bloodstream in the proximal part of the nephron. So a normal healthy person urine is devoid of glucose. ओके नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, देयर इज अ फ्रीक्वेंट यूरिनेशन इन विंटर देन इन समर. ठीक है, विंटर में क्या होता है, फ्रीक्वेंट यूरिनेशन होता है, पर समर में फ्रीक्वेंट यूरिनेशन नहीं होता है. आंसर इज इन विंटर स्वेटिंग इज लेस, सो मोर वाटर इज गिवन आउट इन द फॉर्म ऑफ यूरिन. रिवर्स प्रोसेस हैपेंस इन समर. Okay, now do this question in your notebook also.